Hey, how's it going? It's me, Mario, and I'm going to give you a quick demo of our brand new video builder, Video Fredom. Specifically, we made this for freelancers, agencies, and video marketers, right? Now, first thing I want to tell you, each of the 4 video styles that you can create with this, these are handpicked, okay? Because they're proven to sell the most, and they're proven to receive the highest revenue from clients for these 4 types, right? So we have logo right here, the logos that you can create, and immediately you can sell them on Fiverr or other freelance sites. Explainer videos, people are paying big money for explainer videos, right? And we have an amazing library here of explainer videos that you can easily edit in just 3 steps. We have promo videos right here. So these are really cool. You can create them for local businesses, electrician, pest control, any type of niche that you can think of. And then also slideshow videos are proven to receive high payments from clients to create slideshow videos, for example, right? So you can pick any 4 of them. This is the software dashboard right here. If I go back here, for example, to the logo, if you want to preview any of these, you can just hover over them. And now you can see here that it's previewing this actual logo animation, right? And if you like it and you want to sell this logo on Fiverr, for example, or any of the other logos right here, you can just click on the video. Okay, I'm going to pause this here, and then all I have to do is click here on create video, and super easy. It's going to bring up this dashboard right here, and all I have to do is I can click here on media, and I can use an image from my video library. I can also choose one of the hundreds and hundreds of royalty-free images from Pixabay, or here, for example, from Unsplash, and then I can go here also and browse from my computer, right? But in this case, because it's an actual logo, I'm just going to go with the logo that I have ready here. And then it's going to ask me for a second logo in this case. I'm going to go with this one. I can also crop the logo if I want to. I'm just going to choose it here. And then as you can see here, it's just 3 simple steps: edit, music, and finish. So I'm going to click here on next right now. I'm going to bring me here to the music, and I can play the music right here. And let's say I like this song, I can just select the song right here, click here on next, and then I can just start rendering right here. And just like that, in 3 simple steps, you have your video ready. It takes about 60 to 90 seconds to render the video, and you're gonna be good to go, right? And this was just the logo. You can now sell this logo literally on Fiverr or any freelance site, right? But if you check out the explainer video right here, you can see here we have beautiful templates for explainer videos, people paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars for explainer videos. Here's an example about vaccination. Maybe you wanna help a business that wants to show their clients that the whole staff is vaccinated. So we have an explainer video for that. And if you like this, okay, if you want to do this for a client, you can click on this and you can check out the preview here, of course, but then I can click here on create video, and it's just as simple. Okay, so if you want to change the text, your text here, and then I can also change, of course, the title right here. And I can click on this, and I can just change the text, and then I can go to the next slide right here. This is the second slide. I can change the text right here. I go to the 3rd slide, and then here I can actually customize this for my client. I can add their logo, okay? And I can also add another text right here. And once you're happy with your slides, you just click here on next. You can also customize the colors of each slide. You can upload your custom colors right here. And then I can click here on next again. Then of course you pick a track, an audio track that you like. I click here on next, and just like that, all I have to do right now is start rendering, and I am good to go. And I just created a beautiful logo that I can sell, and a beautiful explainer video literally in minutes, and I can sell them for hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Or to prospects, to clients on freelance sites, right? If I go back here to the main dashboard and I click here on projects, this is where you will find the videos that you rendered. So here's a video a logo, for example, that I rendered. If you want to check it out, you can see right here with a building in the background. This is a logo example. And then I can scroll down here. There's another slideshow video right here that I did with our software. Check it out. So you could do this for coaches and consultants, personal trainers, any business that you can imagine. You can download the video right now here. So if you charge your client, you can download it for them. You can upload it to their YouTube. You can just send it to them via Dropbox. You can even share it here immediately also with this button right here. Everything is very easy to use. It's just 3 simple steps. And you can see other videos here that we created with this actual software, right? If I go back here to home screen, and let's just go here to the promo videos. These are animated videos, and this is an electrician example. So let's check out this video real quick together. Check out how cool the animations are, right? This is a 14-second video, so we always show you the duration here as well. And if I like that video, I can now go ahead and create. And now I can customize this video. If you don't want to do this for an electrician, but your client is a pest control company, you can now click on this image right here and you can upload a royalty-free pest control image, or you can have your client provide you with an image and upload it right here, and it's going to show their image right here. You can obviously customize the text right here, and then you click here on next, and then the second one, you also just upload a pest control related image right here, or maybe you work with a chiropractor, so any niche that you can think of. And then here you can also upload their logo if you want to, or a call to action for this company as well. And then here, if you look at the steps again, you just customize the color, the music, you finish, you render it, and just like that, you're good to go. So as you can see, as soon as you as soon as you log into Video Freedom, you have 4 different video styles that you can create. You can immediately sell them because you're going to get the commercial license included in this launch special that we're doing right now. And the best part is that it renders super fast and you can sell them immediately on any site you like, freelance sites, Fiverr.com. You can work with prospects, you can work with CrossFit gyms, plastic surgeons, whatever niche you pick, they need video, right? Think about video SEO, think about Instagram video ads, Facebook video ads, think about YouTube video ads, okay? Think about social media posts, think about video SEO. It's super easy to use. It's just 3 simple steps, and I'm super pumped, as you can tell, to present this to you, right? So go ahead right now, check out the rest of the page, check out the examples that we uploaded for you, check out the pricing options that we have for you. There's hundreds and hundreds of templates available for you here, depending on which package you choose. And all I can say is thank you for your time, and I can't wait to see you inside the software dashboard. Talk soon.